Okay. Alright, so another format that you can manipulate inside your workbook is a copy. Okay, so when you copy, alright, when you want to copy a cell contents, okay, there is several ways. Okay, the first one is you can select the cells that contain the data that you want to copy, and then in a home tab clipboard group, you can choose copy button or click copy as picture button. Okay, and then you can paste it. Alright, you can select a new location for the cut or copied data, and then in a home tab clipboard group, click the paste down arrow and select your option. You can also right click the selected cell or range and then choose from the paste options, or click paste special on the context menu. Alright, and then you select your options. Okay, so here, alright, in your slide they give you the example, okay, the interface, okay, of the copy and paste button. Okay, so now let we try in our worksheet example. Here we want to copy the text of CFS. Okay, so you can copy, alright, by select the cell, okay, and then you go to home tab, okay, clipboard group, okay, click the copy button. Okay, can you see here, this is a copy button, or you can click, okay, here there is two options, either you want to copy or copy as picture. Okay, example, I just click copy. Alright, and then I select a new location for the card or for my copied data. Alright, and then okay, I select example E2. Alright, in the home tab clipboard group, same group. Alright, I click the paste down arrow and select my option. Okay, so here, as I mentioned earlier, there is a few options. Either you want to copy paste normal, okay, copy everything as the same as the previous cell, or you just want to copy the formulas, or you want to copy the formulas and number formatting, and so on. We have a lots of options here. And also you can paste special. If you click here, okay, they will give you another advanced option for you to copy and paste. Okay, alright, and then actually Microsoft Excel, okay, provide copy paste option in different ways. Okay, the simplest method, okay, that I can tell you of copy paste is by using a shortcut key, that is a Control C and Control V. Okay, so actually in this case, okay, Microsoft Excel will copy everything, okay, such as values, formulas, formats, commands, okay, and then the Excel will override the content with paste. Okay, if you want to undo this action, you just can simply use another shortcut key, that is a Control Z. Okay, alright. Okay, so there is another alternative that you can copy the cell contents. Okay, I believe I have mentioned, I've shown it to you in our previous tutorial video. So but now I'll show you again. You can use the AutoFill handle to copy the data. Okay, so let me show you example. Okay, I want to copy example. I type katalah example, I type Gambang campus. Okay, so by using AutoFill, okay, highlight the cell that you want to copy. Using AutoFill handle, just drag, okay, and then you will see, okay, they will copy the same content. Okay, alright, so Next is move active cell. Okay, you can use any of the following method. Okay, the first one is you can select the cell or range that you want to move, choose cut command, or just simply can use a shortcut key such as Ctrl X, and then click at the new positions of the cells, and then you just simply can press enter. Okay, let me show you again. Okay, example. Alright, I want to copy this data into a new location. Alright, I select the data, the range of the data. Alright, and then what can I do is I just can Control X. Okay, Control X. Okay, and then I click at the new position of the cell, and then okay, I press enter. Okay, so you will see they will move to the new line. Okay, to the new location. Okay, and then the other way, the other methods, okay, for you to move the active cell is select the cell or range that you want to move and place the pointer on at any edge or side of the selection until it turns into a cross with arrowhead tips. Okay, alright, and then drag and drop the cell or range to the new location. Okay, we go back to our Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now you select the range, example, the same range, the same cell that I want to move. Alright, and then you place the pointer on any edge, okay, or the side. Okay, can you see they will change, okay, into cross with arrowhead tips. Okay, so you just drag, okay, the selected cell into new location, so they will move your data, okay, to the new location. Okay, all right, and then rename a worksheet. Okay, you can use, okay, any of the following methods also. Alright, either you right click the sheet tab to be renamed, and then you click rename after you type the new worksheet name and then press enter. Alright, or you just can double click the sheet tab to be renamed and then you press enter. Okay, so example here. Okay, so I want to rename my worksheet. Okay, the first one is, okay, you right click, right, and then you choose rename. Okay, example, okay, I type Excel tutorial. Okay, or okay, and then I can press enter. Okay, so you can have it here, and then or you just can double click, okay, at the sheet tab. Alright, and then you can rename it. Example, I type Excel tutorial 2020, and then I can press enter key. Okay, and then okay, if you see here, alright, this is just a formatting at the sheet tab. Okay, worksheet tab here. Okay, when you right click, there is one button is tab color. Okay, this is just to make your worksheet more colorful. Okay, you can choose any of the color, just to color the Excel tab. Example, I choose red color. Okay, so when I move to another worksheet, you will see, alright, the Excel tab will color with any of the color that has been chosen by you. Okay, alright, so if you refer to your workbook, okay, page L3-14, okay, actually they have stated there, okay, how you want to add a single row, multiple rows, single column, multiple columns, and so on. Actually, alright, you can refer to your table L3-8 to manipulate, okay, the rows, columns, and cell. Alright, okay, how to save a workbook? Okay, to save a workbook automatically, okay, you can choose File tab, click Options, and then click Save. Okay, or you can select the following settings by click the Save Files in this format down arrow and select the default file format. Okay, and then to ensure the save auto recover information, every checkbox is selected, and then click the minute spinner, alright, and then click OK when finished. Or the other way is to save the workbook manually in 3 ways. Either you go to click the file tab and then click save, or you can click the save button, or you can press Ctrl S key. Okay, alright. How you want to close a workbook? Okay, you can click the file tab and then click close, or you can click the close button in the upper right corner of the Excel window, and if asked, okay, click yes to save any unsaved work. Okay, alright.